Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, bucket seats, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.